Hey guys, it's Kalia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do a what's on my iPhone XR video. So I've had this phone for a little bit over a week now, so it's still pretty new. Very happy about it. I got this phone off of eBay because I found it on eBay for $774. I have the 128 gigabyte iPhone XR and I have like the white phone, as you can maybe tell. Okay, I need to stop talking and show you what's on my phone. Okay, I just have this white marble background. I like it because it's very simple and super pretty. Oh yeah, let me tell you about my case. I got this case from Amazon. It's like mostly pink. It has these like gold lines here to make it look marbly. All right, so to start off, let me show you what's on my, oh my god, I'm seriously dumb, my like widgets page. Here's what's on my widgets page. First, I have Google Calendar because I plan a lot of things, and you know, it's good to keep track of like what you have going on in your life so you're not like stressed and you know what's going on. So yeah, I use Google Calendar to keep track of that. After that, I have Word of the Day, which is like an app you can get on your phone, and it just like tells you what the word of the day is. And I have this because I want to expand my vocabulary just so I sound smarter. The word of the day is jounce. I don't even know what that means. Okay, jounce. Jounce. All right, let's see what that means. It means jolt or bounce. So yeah, okay. After that, I have Google Keep. I use Google Keep to keep track of the things that I have going on. I'll show you guys that in a bit. After that, I have weather. You know, it's important to know what the weather is gonna be like just so you are prepared for it. After that, I have screen time, which keeps track of like how long you're on your phone for. I like to keep track of like how long I'm on my phone for, just so I feel like kind of bad if I do go on it so much. After that, I have news. I don't really like ever check the news, but sometimes I do. I have Siri app suggestions, Google Traffic to show like the traffic in my area, and then tips. So now that we have that out of the way, this is my first page. It's just like a plain marble background because this is my wallpaper. So if you're wondering how you do this, because like your phone doesn't do this for you, basically you move all of your apps on the first page over to the second page. So this is my first page, and then I just move these apps from the first page to the second page. So yeah, I like doing that because I want to see like how my wallpaper looks, or if I have a really cute wallpaper I want to show someone, I can. All right, second page, I just have like all of your basic Apple apps here. I also added Wells Fargo to that, which, you know, you check your money on. I have ADP Mobile, which keeps track of like how much money I make from my job. And I have hot schedules, so I know when I am scheduled for work. And after that, I have Face app, which I'm gonna delete because I don't really need it right now because so yeah, I have all your basic like Apple apps. I do want to show you my reminders though, because like I have so many things on here. I kind of just want to show it off. So I have like a crap ton of things here, and I have things that I put in like so long ago and it's still in here, and I don't want to delete it because like I just hold on to things way too much. Next page. So I have a lot of folders here and I titled them with emojis. Oh yeah, I should mention like why these apps are at the bottom here. So these are like my most used apps besides like the phone calling thing, and I don't really use text messages much, but it's just good to have down there. I go on Spotify like so often, so I need that there. If you look at your like Spotify wrap up thing, it just shows you like how your year went music wise on Spotify. I listened to 46,000 minutes of music, and that's incredible. After that, I have Google Calendar, which we already talked briefly about. I'll show you my Google Calendar in a bit, but let's get into like the folders. This first one has an Apple emoji because these are Apple apps. I don't really use these besides a calculator. but like I don't even like go to calculator from here. I just like swipe down and then go to calculator from there. All right, after that I have like the movie popcorn folder. This is like my entertainment folder. I have YouTube, Netflix, Showtime, Hulu, and Prime Video. So I'm technically a college student, so I get Showtime, Hulu, and Prime Video at a very discounted price, which I'm so thankful for. And then I have Netflix, which my parents pay for, so yay, thanks parents. YouTube, which I use like every day. Like I don't even go on these like entertainment apps like ever, because like if I start a show I'm gonna get addicted to it. It's not good. After that I have like my camera folder, so I have like all of my editing apps and just like apps I use for storing photos and whatnot. So I got like VSCO to edit a lot of my photos. I have Google Photos, which I just have like photos of people I took pictures of. I don't know if that made any sense. Memories, which syncs up to my like Sony camera. It's very convenient. For that I have Airbrush, which is basically like Facetune, but it's free and I highly recommend it if you don't want to drop like $1 or $2 on an app. And I have Wallpaper Fix. Basically if your like photos like this big and it won't fit on the lock screen, like it fits but like the lock screen will like expand the photo so it doesn't look good on your lock screen, you just go on here and it adds like borders to your photo just to make it fit on your lock screen. So like I'll just show you it so you know what I'm talking about. Here, this photo, see, it just adds like these fingers so it like fits on your lock screen. And then I have Dropbox, which I don't really use. I just have that app because like my senior photo photographer sent me my photos on Dropbox, so that's how I access it. After that I have like my eating, drinking folder. I just have Nectar, which is a juice bar app. Ugh, I suck at talking. Okay, I have the Nectar app. Yeah, I have Starbucks and Caribou Coffee. I'm gonna go to Nectar today because I have like a 50% off your drinks like redemption coupon that I should use because it doesn't work after the 11th and it's the 8th today. Shopping, this is a fun folder. Okay, so I have Target, Amazon, eBay, Ebates, and Retail Me Not. Pretty sure you guys know about all of these apps. If you don't know about Retail Me Not, basically you get coupons on Retail Me Not. You can use them in store or online, so highly recommend it if you want to save some money. And let's talk about Ebates, which is an amazing app and you totally need to check it out if you are not using Ebates. Basically what Ebates does is give you money for shopping. Like they pay you to shop basically. It's mostly like an online store sort of thing. Alright, so let's say I go shopping on oldnavy.com and I click shop now. And then it's gonna link my account to like Old Navy, and then when I shop on here, like however much my total is, I'm gonna get 6% cash back because that's what it says right here. So like I get cash back for shopping there, and I am at $37.94 right now. Like that's how much money I'm getting back right now because I'm smart. And yeah, I highly recommend this app. You are basically getting paid to shop, so you know, why not? I have my school folder, not fun folder. I have like Google Docs, Google Classroom, Google Drive, Schoology, Campus Portal, so I can check my grades. Then I have like Hexatech and XVPN. If you're in high school, pretty sure you know what these apps are. If your school's Wi-Fi like blocks the social media, you just turn on your VPN app and it allows you to go on social media while connected to the school's Wi-Fi, so you're not wasting data. I have this folder with the girl who's going like this. This is my adulting folder. I don't have I can't talk. I don't have very many adulting apps on here yet, and I don't hate any of these apps. I have like Venmo and PayPal, which you can like send money on or receive money from. Oh, I am so bad at talking. I want to show you guys my Google Keep. This helps me be organized, and if I have any ideas that pop into my head, I just put it on here. I also do use like the Apple Notes, but I like using Google Keep because I can like access these notes on my laptop as well. Here are like my pinned notes. So I have like things I want to do every day. I have my winter bucket list, how to grow on YouTube, being a successful bee, acting classes, and like accessing my Sony information and stuff. I just have like a crap ton of other things on here. I told you guys about word of the day. Highly recommend this app if you want to become smarter like me. Here I have like my motivation app. So every day I get 3 notifications from Motivation that sends me like motivating quotes. One of today's quotes is, "Do not give up. The beginning is always the hardest." A good ass quote. There was one I really liked. I screenshotted it and I'm gonna read it to you guys. "They be the person of your dreams, see and act from their eyes." I really like that quote because to be able to be the person who you want to be, like, you have to see it from their eyes. If you look at life the way you're looking at it now, like, you're probably not gonna get anywhere. And then I have facts, which is the same as motivation, but it tells you interesting facts. So I get like 3 notifications of these every day as well. I've learned quite a few things from this app. Like, you lose 4 kilograms of skin cells every year, and the average child laughs 300 times a day, but the average adult only laughs 17 times a day. Like, it's very fascinating. Next I have this fitness app. This syncs up to my fitness tracker that I have here. See how well I slept last night. I had the ACT this morning at 8 and I slept until 7:41. Yeah, I'm not even surprised, honestly, because that always happens every single time I try to wake up early. It's like I fall into a deep sleep right before I'm supposed to get up. Alright, so I got like 7 hours of sleep last night. Yeah, my deep sleep was when I was supposed to like wake up, so that's why I couldn't wake up today. Moving on, I have Google next. Google is a great app. Pretty sure everyone knows that. Google is very handy for school especially. And after Google, I have Trello. Trello is an app that helps me keep track of my YouTube stuff. I haven't really been following what I'm supposed to be doing, but it's okay. So here I have like all my video ideas, and I have them into categories like brainstorm and school and routines. And then I also have it color coded. Like, this one I like, and this one I should be filming ASAP, but I also put this in like in August and I said filming ASAP, and that has yet to happen. After Trello, I have Yelp. Yelp is a great app to check if you don't know what to do or where to go. If you don't know where to eat, go to restaurants. And then it's gonna show you nearby restaurants that you can go to, and as reviews and photos of people who have been there. After that, I have Speedway. Speedway is a gas station that basically took over Super America, which was a really good gas station, so I'm not sure when that happened. But I do like Speedway because gas there is really cheap, same as everywhere else right now. I got gas the other day for $2.29 a gallon, plus 10 cents off if you use your Speedy Rewards, which is linked with Speedway. So I got a full tank of gas for $21.74, which is amazing. Okay, last but not least, I have my social media folder, which I put on this last page. And I also turn off the notifications for it because I want to try to not go on social media as much. And I highly recommend doing that because, like, if you think about how much you involve yourself with in social media, like, it's actually insane. So it has been helping, especially like the notification part, because like every time I see a notification, I'm tempted to just click on it. Like, if I see a notification on Snapchat from blah blah blah, I'm like, oh my god, why are they Snapchatting me? And then I want to click it. But oh, I got a text message. So yeah, just thought that I'd share that tip with you guys. I was gonna show you guys my Google Calendar. I don't know why I want to show you guys. I do know why. It's because I want to show you my organization skills. So I have like everything color coded on here, and it just shows everything that's going on. And it's super nice. Like, I love it because like everything's here. You can easily change it. Like, versus having a planner, like you have to scribble things out if you wrote it in pen, or you have like eraser marks on it because you erase something. So just having a Google Calendar is very nice. I do have a separate calendar for like my school events though, because like that's just hard to keep track of on like an app. So yeah, definitely use Google Calendar. Super nice. Yeah, I guess that's all I want to show you guys. Like I freed up a lot of space from my old phone because of like the photos and like the apps and everything, so I'm really happy about that. I think that's all I'm gonna show you guys. There's not much to show, like my phone's kind of boring to be honest, but I like it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have like any app recommendations, drop them down below and like tell me like the purpose of that app. Like, is it a video editing app? Is it a photo editing app? Is it a game that you like? Like, let me know. I want to know. Be sure to check out my other videos. I recently just dropped a video of me decorating my room for Christmas. You might want to check it out. If you also have any other video ideas, drop them down below. I would love to see them. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to show your support for my channel. Thank you once again for watching this video. I hope everyone has a nice day or a nice night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.